Hey guys, today we've got a pretty exciting video. We're going to be installing the Kawasaki engine case protectors. Before we get started, let's take a look at what tools we're going to need. You'll need a set of Allen hex keys, a set of socket wrenches, and also socket Allen keys. You'll need a torque wrench, a vacuum gun, and a 4-channel vacuum gauge. I'm kidding, these things are literally just plastic stickers. This is going to be an easy one. Alright, so here are the pieces. I noticed on the Kawasaki website it actually tells you that you get 3 protectors, but that's incorrect. There's only 2. You get the one for this side and one for the clutch on the other side. Before we put this on, we're just going to wipe this down with some rubbing alcohol. Peel off the backing to the adhesive. But actually, before we do that, let's make sure we figure out how this thing's going to go on. Basically, make sure to keep the Kawasaki level. Peeling these tabs off is going to be the hardest part of this whole install. Alright, now for the clutch side. While I'm peeling these things off, I'm going to rant a little bit about the cost of these things. I think they go for like $75 or $80, so you're looking at $40 a piece for these little pieces of plastic. You know, I mean, there's not even that much to them, with some double-sided tape. And I compared it to the cost of other engine case covers, like the ones from RNG. There's T-Rex Racing makes some of them, and these were the best value. And I like the way they look, but the costs it's crazy. That these are certainly not worth that much money. But when you look at the cost of scraping up one of your engine case covers, these things are like $250, $300 a piece. And if your bike were to tip over or slide a little bit and you get a crack and your engine oil leaks out, you'll wish that you would have gotten a protector on there. So, financially, I think it makes sense to get them, but the cost is just outrageous. These things should be $20 a set or something like that, not 75 or 80. Make sure you subscribe to see the other videos that I have coming out. Let me know if you have any questions or any video requests down below. And as always, thanks for watching.